Oh, hello. Here we are at Popeyes with everybody else in the entire world. I don't think these people know this. I know this. They running out. Ain't no way they feeding all of us. Look at this line. You see these cars in the parking lot? Ain't no way they feeding all of us. But we're gonna wait here. We're gonna chill. We're gonna see.
Nigel, there are not many trends in the life of the internet that have made me more upset than this trend right here.
Yeah, this one's an upsetting one.
This is ridiculous.
Yet here we are.
Do you know how much money they're forking in right now?
A lot. You know what? My neck hurt. I think this building just hurt me. I'm about to sue them. There you go.
Ah, Popeyes. Ah. Oh, I'm gonna have to sue.
I think this is the content that people like.
I can't even do this.
You feel better about yourself?
I feel a lot better. I feel a lot richer already. Hello, Dan. I gotta ask, what does a vegan think of this trend?
Oh, nothing.
Hey guys, we're here today at Popeyes San Lorenzo for potentially the greatest crossover in the history of YouTube. Braille Skateboarding meets Popeyes. We're gonna get some extra chicken sandwiches to go, and we're gonna put the spicy and the regular one to the test with skateboard trucks and see if we can skateboard on these chicken sandwiches. So we are waiting in line right now. We've been in the same spot for about 10 minutes, and we'll let you know when we get inside.
Are you here for the sandwiches too?
Is that what this line for? Just for sandwiches?
I'm pretty sure this is all for sandwiches.
Just for sandwiches?
Yeah.
So if I'm not getting sandwiches, I can just go in?
No. I
I
wish.
don't think it works like that.
So you know about these sandwiches?
I can't eat them.
I've tried one.
But they can.
No. You carding me?
Yeah.
That's my neighbor.
Yeah, we're neighbors.
Aww.
Okay, shout out to the skateboarders.
There you go.
Right.
Yeah. We're moving.
It's only taking how long?
Like 15 minutes at this point.
There it is, chicken sandwich.
They have jambalaya bowls here?
You're a jambalaya bowl.
All right, we're here today with chicken aficionado, Uzi Dan.
Thank you. I've hated every chicken sandwich I've ever tried.
Really? Even
see if-
Chick-fil-A's?
Let's see if this one tips my scales.
So I have a question for you, sir. What do you expect from this chicken sandwich?
From this Popeyes specifically, trash. From Popeyes, like as a whole, probably phenomenal.
What kind of flavor experiences and texture experiences are you expecting from this
I think
sandwich?
I'm gonna feel some breadedness,
Are you
some
expecting
crunchiness.
some
It's probably gonna
crunch?
taste like chicken.
How do you feel about mayo and pickles being the only toppings?
We're gonna deal with it.
My question for you, chicken aficionado, why have you not liked all chicken sandwiches you've tried?
They just don't hit the spot.
Like, for example, like Chick-fil-A, you don't like Chick-fil-A sandwiches?
I've never had it.
Your chicken aficionado-ness has now been thrown out of the window. Your title was
I've
revoked
only
and
had
you
one
should go
chicken
home.
sandwich ever.
From what, Wendy's?
McDonald's.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here. And Fetty, even though you can't eat this sandwich.
Yeah, you know this is my favorite fast food restaurant
What-
besides Chipotle. Chipotle is my life!
What do you expect from this sandwich when you can try it?
I'm gonna throw it at someone.
You're not going to try to kickflip it for us?
No.
Impossible flip?
I'll try and trade flip it.
I really hope they're not out of sandwiches and we didn't just wait here for nothing.
Surely they would prepare for this, right?
A lot of them are sold out everywhere. Please tell me you're not out of sandwiches. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, these 5 are with me, so we're all gonna get 1. We'll do 2 spicy and 3 regular. Thank you. Dan, we have done it. We have gotten your chicken sandwiches. We're waiting for our order to be ready, and these guys are about to try it.
In my life.
You said what?
Worst soda I've ever. I got the chills. It's so bad. Gabe, you know in Harry Potter when Harry makes Dumbledore drink for that horse? This is what that is like. For like, I have to make sure I keep drinking it.
All right, now that it's right here in front of me, I want to eat it so bad, dude. It's killing me. I'm on a diet. Dude, it looks delicious. So yeah, I have tried this before. I went last Monday at like 11 a.m. on a Monday when no one was there, so I just went right in, ordered, ate, left. No hassle. Before the trend was like a super trend, you know? I will distribute the sandwiches.
Oh my gosh. They look alright. The bread feels nice and soft. My guess was a 6 out of 10. Yours is a 4. It looks like a little better than a 4, maybe a 5. Should we just try it? Feels nice and soft to the touch. I think it's gonna be pretty good. All right, I'm biting it. I need one more bite.
All right, Nigel, go ahead.
It's pretty good. It's kind of spicy still. I think I got the spicy one. I mean, the pickles are big pickles. It's pretty good.
Hey Dan.
I mean, it ain't like Cane's.
I think it needs like some sauce or something.
I think I got a normal one.
Yeah, you did. Mine's spicy.
I feel like if I had like hot sauce,
Yeah, I think it
it
needs
would be
some
like
type of sauce.
smack.
How's the flavor of the chicken? How's
Chicken's
the
good.
breading?
It's almost exactly like the tenders.
The chicken is very good and the bread is very good, but it just needs a little something.
As of right now, I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A every time over this.
I need some buffalo sauce.
I need to do some more research, so
Nigel, how is the structural integrity?
compromise. I gotta shove this whole thing in my mouth right now.
Do it.
I'm gonna hate myself.
Oh yeah, boy. All right, Dan. On a scale from 1 to 10, what is it?
I assumed it was gonna be a 6. I think it was a 6.5.
Better than a McChicken?
If I had sauce, I think it would have been tied. But it's 0.5. I think a McChicken's like a 7.
This is like a solid like 6 out of 10. The one I had at mine was like an 8. Like this is completely not as good as the one I tried originally. It's still good, but like Chick-fil-A crushes this. Okay, you guys, we're here back at the Braille house. We have now started to digest the Popeyes sandwiches, and I don't feel very good.
Now it's time to shred the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
So right here, so we open up this divine sandwich right here. Just look at that. The perfect flatness for skateboard trucks. Can
Wait.
2 trucks even fit on this? Nigel and Fetty, the professional skateboard builders. How do you think we should go about building
I
this?
think this is the tail.
I'm gonna be honest with you, there's only one truck you can fit on that.
Only 1 truck.
No,
So
you
should
can
we,
fit-
I think we have to fit 2 trucks on there. Now the question is, should we screw into it or should we try to put actual hardware in there? I need a drill.
Do we need these?
Can we get some trucks? So these are the trucks we're gonna use. The only problem, if we get the sandwich and put it like this, it's only half the size of the trucks.
Let's think this through here.
Tape, I think we should tape the trucks together and then we'll screw into the sandwich.
No, we just need a little piece of wood
Piece of wood?
to screw the trucks into, and then we screw the sandwich
You're right.
into the wood.
You're a genius, Dan.
Sure.
Check out this precision, Dan.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So now we need to get this. And perfect because
You just
these will be
stab
able
it
to
in.
stab the sandwich in. Oh,
Wait, then it'll stab your foot though.
You know, because the sandwich will protect your foot.
I don't know, Chief.
It's a little crooked, but it's okay. We've done worse. Oh, that was good. It's safe, Dan. Don't worry about it. Look at that! Officially the most well thought out skateboard we've ever done. And now we are ready for the conception of this beautiful skateboard. Which side do you want to be the nose and tail?
This is the tail.
This is the tail?
It's got the tail.
And this is the nose? With the 2 pickles sticking out.
Yeah, the pickle nose.
Easy does it. Hold it. Is my alignment right, Dan?
I think you're good.
We've made entry.
I have to unscrew and screw in again.
This is officially the world's first Popeyes chicken sandwich skateboard. Would you look at that? That is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like a freaking mad scientist right now, but I feel really good about myself. Let's go show the people our creation. I give to you the world's first Popeyes chicken skateboard.
There's screws in here?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold up, I want to show
maybe it's
everyone
best.
else. We getting crazy out here. The first ever Popeyes chicken sandwich skateboard. Fetty, why are you skating? You're supposed to skate this. You want to take a lick?
I can't.
It's like a platter. It's like if there was a skateboard themed restaurant, this is how I would want my food served to me.
All right, let's do this.
We are currently in rebuild mode. Here at the Braille house, we had a very bad flood here, so everything's kind of crazy right now. We apologize for the look, but we couldn't really take this to another skate park because it was so close to the Braille house. So, Betty, this is yours to skate. Watch out. There's 2 screws right in the middle. 2 more right here on the outside.
Okay.
One small step for sandwich kind.
Yeah!
You want to push?
Oh, no!
Chicken sandwich.
Pork sandwich!
Wait, we gotta have a pit stop here. The pickles, don't forget the pickles.
The pickle's gotta go on first. Hey, this pickle looks like an apple.
An apple?
Wait.
The apple look good? Bone apple teeth. Should I just stand on the chicken?
Yeah.
I'm getting impaled.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Alright, you ready? This is not okay!
I'm gonna ollie.
Nice knowing you.
No! Oh, dude, that is so good. That's so good. The worst part is that this is not the worst thing that's been on this floor either.
We should take a picture of this and send it to them and say something's wrong with my sandwich.
Well, that was Louisiana Fast, meaning that board did not last very long. We didn't think it would. For those of you guys who have waited in line hours and hours to get this sandwich and have not been able to try it because it's sold out, I apologize. That's why we did a review, because we want you guys to know how it was. It's okay. 6 out of 10. 6.5? 6.5 out of 10. That's our review. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and definitely learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and buy yourself an actual skate deck and not a chicken sandwich. You guys are the best.